Hey everyone, it's Sam Bryant from Bryant Taylor Law, and today I want to discuss one strategy that actually worked if you're a business owner and you need to negotiate your lease with your landlord during the coronavirus pandemic. Before we get into it, Bryant Taylor Law is a business law firm. We help business owners start businesses, and we also help business partners resolve their partnership disputes. So during the coronavirus, there's a lot of governmental regulations that are preventing businesses from operating. And so we had a client that was in this position. They weren't getting any revenue whatsoever, and they had these rental payments due. So the strategy that actually worked for us was getting the landlord to actually use the security deposit that the client already paid at the beginning of the lease and substituting that security deposit for the rent for 3 months. So it was a win-win because the client was able to not worry about rent for 3 months, and the landlord was able to get access to that security deposit. The other thing that we did is we agreed to an extension on a rental term. So the client had 5 months left on the lease. After negotiating with the landlord, we just agreed to extend it to a year. So now the client has a year and 5 months. And what we agreed to is that the client would start paying back the security deposit after month 5. So when that extension kicks in, the client would pay back the security deposit over the term of the extension. So it was a strategy that actually worked. We just wanted to share that with you because I know a lot of you are concerned about paying your rent if you can't get revenue. And if you're in that position, you are in the position to negotiate with your landlord, because right now in a lot of counties, evictions are being suspended. So you're in a position where you're not paying rent and the landlord needs something from you because they can't just kick you out. So it's the best time to actually talk to them and try to get some talks going and to get them to agree to some terms. What's very important is if you're not using a lawyer, make sure that whatever agreements you come to are in writing and are signed by both of you. And also, it's so important, get the landlord to waive any late fees. I know a lot of your leases have provisions in there that allow the landlord to collect late fees. If they're giving you extensions, it doesn't mean that they are waiving the late fees unless they specifically tell you. So make sure that you get it in writing, anything that you agree to, and that whatever you agree to, you are not paying any late fees or penalties. So that was a strategy that worked for us. Getting the landlord to use the security deposit, extending the rent term, and paying the security deposit back over a year period. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe. And we try to make these videos regularly. So if there's anything that you wish for us to discuss, please let us know. Hope you continue to stay safe and take care, and good luck.